I do want my sword now. And I put them in the water. I like this one. Whoa. Buddy. Go up here. Dogwood turtle. I think that's where the beavers are.
Go see if there's beavers in there, Tyler.
Okay. I'm going to see too. Because I don't know.
Now watch out, they might bite your hand off.
Nope.
Hey Bob, come on and go see if there's beavers in there. Come on, go under there, see if there's beavers in there. Don't let them bite your hand off though. See anything, Bug?
No.
Nothing in there?
No.
Nope.
When I was over there, I thought I saw a stick move.
Did it have big teeth?
No, I think the beaver was underwater pulling it.
Oh, it was underwater. Okay, let's continue on the trail, fellas.
Okay, let's go, fella.
What's the name of this trail?
Dogwood Trail.
Dogwood Trail. Okay, let's go. Lead the way.
Daddy, how come you told us to look for beavers?
Well, it's called Beaver Creek. There's bound to be beavers around here.
Yeah, that's good right there. Daddy, if you fell in the water, then you need to swim back and try to climb up by yourself. But you need somebody to take you there.
Alright, go check it out, Bug.
I'm not being. No way, not me.
Why not, Bob?
Because I'm tired of beavers.
Well, you haven't seen one yet. How can you be tired?
Good.
Look at Bug. He's right in there. He ain't scared of them. Uh-oh, we lost him. We lost him. Where'd he go? There he is. See any beavers in there, Bug?
No.
Okay, let's continue on the trail.
Okay, honey. Wait for Taiwan.
Alright, Bobby. Head on the trail, buddy. Okay, continue on. Let's go.
Continue on and look for more beavers. Daddy, I'm going to look for beavers. I think there's beaver in that tunnel, but it's on the other side.
Oh, okay.
I think it's beaver. I was right by the water.
Go catch up to Tyler, Bob. Alright, let's go, Bob. Be careful over that big rock now.
Hey, look at that. There must be beavers in there.
Yeah, it looks like beavers to me, Bob. Tyler's dad too.
What? Daddy, I'm pretending to do the scary movie. I'm using the ice cream. Use ice to move then with Mr. Sweet. I'm gonna freeze the pack. I'm the question mark thing. I think I'm the umbrella juice. Yes, I got the blue one.
What was that? Did you hear that? Okay, come on. Get up in front of me now.
What is it? Daddy, what is it?
I don't know.
I think it's alligator. Be quiet and be quiet for searching for alligator.
Think it's an alligator?
What's down here?
I don't know. You better go check it out, Bug. Watch so you don't fall in there.
Nope, nothing.
Nothing down there? Bob, you want to go down there?
No.
No?
Not me. I have a stick. No one's gonna look for us. No alligators and think we're here. Look at us.
Wait, let's keep up with Tyler.
Daddy, we're in a jungle.
We are in a jungle.
Yeah. Can you be quiet? Searching
Hurry
for
up, let's catch up with Tyler.
Yeah.
Come on. He's too far ahead of us. What's that?
I think it's a bat.
What is it?
I think it's a bat. Leave him alone.
Okay,
And stop talking to me back.
but that's what I like to do.
But you need to stop talking, else they will bite your hand off. Then you need to get another one.
Oh, you mean we should be quiet? Okay,
He does be quiet.
okay, you say so.
I am. I'm pretending I have a flashlight in my hand. This is what the question mark dude did every day.
You too slow for me, Bob. I gotta go.
I gotta go too.
I gotta go.
I gotta go too. I'm going to be this. Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, Bobby. Hey.
Who are you waiting on, Bob?